Now, prime factorization method. Then, so what are the prime factors? So whenever a number is given, so how to find prime factors using prime factorization method. First, 12. We have to find 12 prime factors. 12. Then how to write this 12 first? First, 2 6 are 12. Again this 6. This 6 we have to write. How to write this 6? 2 3 are 6. 2 3 are 6. First we have to convert these 12. These 12 factors we want. That is 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Again after that this big 6. Again we have to write prime factors of this 6. 2 3s are 2 3s are. Then these 2 are 1 2 3. These 3 are the prime factors of this 12. 12 prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factors means whatever the factors here we have, further it can't divide. So like 6. 6 is there. 6 we can divide this 6 to 3s are. These 2 further we cannot write as a factors. 2 we cannot write as a factors. 3 we cannot write as a factors. These 3 are prime numbers. These 3 are prime numbers. 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, and 3 is also prime number. The product of 3 prime numbers is equal to 12. In this way we have to divide 12 into prime factors. Prime factors. Whatever the factors here we have, that should be prime number. That should be a prime number. So prime number means the number which is divided by 1 and itself. In other table it won't divide. It should be divided by 1 and itself. So this is the prime factorization of 12. Then prime factorization 48. First how to find factors, 48 prime factors using tree factorization method. 48 first in two table. This is even number. This even number, this is divisible by 2. 2 24s are 48. 2 24s are 48. Like branches, tree branches. Again this is a prime number, don't take this one. And 24 is even number, again we have to take 2 12s are. This is an even number. This is a prime number, also even 2, and 2 is an even number. 2 is an even number. Then 12 is an even number, then 2 6 are. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Again this 6, 2 3s are 2. Like branches we are finding. So it is a tree factorization method. Then 48, how to take 48? 48, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. All these are prime numbers. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3s are 48. 16 3s are 48. These numbers we have to take. This is a prime factorization method. These are not prime numbers. So wherever we are not getting prime numbers, so then again we have to divide into prime factors. So like this, in this way we have to find prime factors. This is a tree method. This is common method to find prime factors. Now our activity. In second activity, some blanks are given what we discussed previously. So that blanks are there. So first, even numbers are the multiples of. So multiples of even numbers are the multiples of. All even numbers are the multiples of 2. 2 multiples. All even numbers are 2 multiples. Then 24 is an even number, but 29 is an odd number. It is an odd number. Why? Because in one's place 9 is there. 9 is odd number, so that is why 29 is odd number. Dash is neither prime nor composite. Already we told. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Dash is only even prime number. This also we discussed this. 2 is the only even prime number. Only even prime number. The smallest prime number is the smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. the smallest odd composite number. The smallest odd composite number. So which one? That is 9. 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Why? Because odd number starts from 1. 1 is neither be composite nor be a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. Then 9. All these are prime number. Only this 9 first. 9 is a number which is odd number and also smallest odd prime number. Odd composite number. Sorry, this is composite number. Then next, there are dash prime numbers. There are dash prime numbers between 1 to 15. How many prime numbers are there? 1 to 15. So 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the prime numbers between 1 to 15. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 prime numbers. There are 6 prime numbers between 1 to 15. 1 to 15, 6 prime numbers were there. 6 prime numbers are there. What are they? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the prime numbers between 1 to 15. Now, second bit. Write the first 4 multiples of the following. First 4 multiples. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. These are the first 4 multiples of 6. Then 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. Then 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. These are the first 4 multiples of 9. 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. These are the first 4 multiples of 12. 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. These are the first 4 multiples of 15. Then, in this way we have to write multiples. Multiples of. Now, write the prime factors of the following. Prime factors we have to write. So, how to write prime factors? First, 50. 2 25s are 50. 2 25s are 50. Now, this for 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. That's it. Now, we have to take these are the prime numbers. Then 25 prime factors. 25 prime factors. 2 into 5 into 5. 2 into 5 into 5. In the same way, 49. 49 7 sevens are 7 sevens are 49 only. These 7 and 7, so the both were the prime factors only. Then 49 is nothing but 7 sevens are 7 sevens are. No need to take other. Why? Because already 7 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. Then 70. How to take 70? 2 35s are 2 35s are 70. After that, this 35 we have to write. 5. 5 sevens are 35. Then these 3 are prime numbers. 2, 5, 7. Then 70, how can we write in prime factor form? Product of prime factors 2 into 5 into 70. All these are prime numbers. All these are prime numbers. If you are going to multiply 2 5s are 10, 10 sevens are 70. 10 sevens are 70. All these are prime numbers. So if you multiply all these prime numbers, again we will get 70. These are the product of prime factors of given number. Now here, test whether the numbers in red color are the multiples of this blue color. If it is yes, make it tick, otherwise wrong. Otherwise wrong. This is a red number and this is a blue number. This we have to check this 40 is a factor of 3 or not, multiples of 3 or not. So here 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 is not divisible by 3, so it is not a multiple of 3. It is not a multiple of 3. 7 plus 75. 75 is multiple of 5. Yes. In the last place 5 is there. If in last digit 5 is there, then the number is divisible by 5. It is correct. Then 49. It is not even number, so it is not divisible by 2. When the number is not divisible by 2 and 3, then it is not divisible by 6. It is wrong. 99. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 is divisible by 9. If we add the digits 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. 7. Here 48. It is not divisible by 7. 7 sevens are 49. But here 48 is given. So it is wrong. 50. Here last 0. It is even number. Even numbers are divisible by 2. So 50 is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Here, encircle the common multiples of each set. This is our first set. This is our second set. In these two sets, we have to encircle. We make a circle common multiples. Common multiples. Here 6 is there. Here 6 common. And after that, what is there? 36 is there here. Here 36 is there. And then after that 48 is there in this and 48. So these are the common multiples in both the set. This is our first set. This is our second set. In these two sets, we encircle, means we make a circle which are common. 6 is common in both. 36 is common both and 48 is common in both. This is the fifth bit. In fifth bit, one more question is there. That question you have to do as your home assignment. Next. Here, which of the following numbers are prime numbers? In activity 3, we have to write which numbers are the prime numbers. Prime numbers. First one. 1 is neither be a prime nor be a composite. 11 is a prime number. 21 is not a prime number. Why? 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are divisible by 3 and 7. So it is not a prime number. Then 47. 47 is a prime number. 47 is a prime number. 57. 57 is also a prime number. 57 is also, it is a prime number. Once you check 57. 57. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So it is not a prime number. It is not a prime number. But 67 is a prime number. 67 is a prime number. Then 18 is not a prime number. Why? Because 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18. So many factors are there. So it is not a prime number. 63. It's divisible by 3. Why? Because 6 plus 3 is 9. The sum of the digits divisible by 3 and also 9. So this is not a prime number. 83. 83 is also a prime number. 89 is a prime number. 83 and 89. These all are prime numbers. Okay. In this number, we have to write composite number. Composite numbers, the numbers which are divisible by more than 2. The numbers which have more than 2 common factors. 2 common factors. More than 2 common factors. 68. It is divisible by 2. So it is a composite number. 45. This is also a composite number. Then 79 is a prime number. 97 is a prime number. 27 is a composite number. Why? 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So it is not a composite number. Then 61. 61 is a prime number. Then 81. 81 is also, it is not a prime number. 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. Also in 3 table it will divide. Then 98 is a composite number. So all these are composite numbers. All these are composite numbers. Yes, this. List all prime numbers between 1 to 50. 1 to 50. Before we wrote all prime numbers from 1 to 100. In the same way, first you prepare a table in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Write the numbers from 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Till 50 you have to write all the numbers. Then after even numbers, cancel even numbers. 2 ones are 2, don't cancel. 2 to the 4, 6, 8, 10. Next 12, 22, 32, 42. 14, 24, 34, 44. 16, 26, 36, 46. 18, 28, 38, 48. 20, 30, 40, 50. These all are even numbers. First cancel even numbers. Then after that 3 table. 3 ones are 3, don't cancel 3 ones are. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 3 elevens are 33, 3 twelves are 36, 3 thirteens are 39, 3 14s are 42, 3 15s are 45, 3 16s are 48, like this in 3 table. After that 2 3 table is over, then you go for 5 table. 5 ones are 5, don't cancel. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Next 7 table. 5 35, 5 sevens are 35, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Then after that 7 table. 7 ones are 7, don't cancel 7 ones are. 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49. Now, so whatever is left, then the circle it. Circle this one. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. These are the prime numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These 15 numbers are prime numbers. These are prime numbers. These are prime numbers. These are all prime numbers. Okay. So like this we have to check. We have to find the prime numbers 1 to 50. Yes, now list all twin prime numbers between 1 to 50. Twin prime numbers, about twin prime numbers we discuss. What about twin prime numbers? Twin prime numbers are the prime numbers which have one co-prime number, one composite number between them. One composite number between them. Example. So we explained with example also. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. So this is one twin prime number. 3 and 5 between 4 is there. 4 is a composite number. In between two prime numbers, if one composite number is there, then they are called twin prime numbers. Second, 5 and 7. Next, 11 and 13. 11 and 13. Next, 11 and 13 between 14 is there. 5 and 7 between 6 is there. 6 is a composite number. Next, 17 and 19. 17 and 19 between one composite number is there. Between one composite number is there. 17. Next, 19, 21, 23, 23, no, 27, 29, 29 and 31. 29, 29 and 31. 29 and 31. So one coprime number is there between. One composite number is there. 29 and 31. Which one? 30. 30 composite number is there between. Then after that, these are the, so if any composite number is there, so remaining you have to write, you have to think and write. So remaining twin prime numbers. Twin prime number means if any two prime numbers in between one composite number is there, then the numbers are called twin prime numbers. I wrote here 5. If more 1 or 2 are there, so that is your home assignment. Now find the prime factors of the following numbers. Prime factors. This is even number, so this is divisible by 2. 2, 2 4 6, 2 46, 2 46 92. Again this 46, 2 23, 2 23. Then 2 into 2 into 23. 2 into 92 is equal to 2 into 2 into 23. In this way we have to write. 12. 2 6 12. Next 6 means 2 3s 2 3s 6. First this 12, 2 6 12. This 6, 2 3s 6. 2 3s 6. 12 means 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Next 63. This is divisible by 3. 3 21s are 63. 3 21s are 63. Again 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. Then 63. Product of prime factors. 3 into 3 into 7. 3 into 3 into 7. 3 3s are 9. 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. Now, here lowest common multiple or least common multiple. So we can call in short LCM. LCM. L means lowest common multiple or least common multiple. How to find least common multiple? Here we have two methods to find least common multiple. Then how to find least common multiple in two methods. Here in the first method, what are the sum, right? What are the sum common multiples of 2 and 3? First two multiples, write two multiples. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, so on. All these are two multiples. Now, three multiples. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, so on. Then, so these all are two multiples and these all are 3 multiples. Then common multiples. What is the common multiple in these two? 6. 6 is here and 6 is here. And here 12 is there and here 12 is there. And after that 18 will come. So in this way we have to take 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, so on. Here next common multiple is 18 and 18. Then common multiples are 2 and 3. Common multiples. 6, 12, 18, so on. These are the common multiples. In 2 and in 3, in 2 and 3 table, 6, 12, 18. These are the common multiples. These are the common multiples. In these common multiples, least common multiple is 6. 6 is the least common multiple. 6 is the least common multiple. Therefore, 3 and 2, or otherwise 2 and 3. 2 and 3 common multiple. Least common multiple is 6. So in this way we have to find least common multiple. Least common multiple. First of all, so we have to write the multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. And after taking multiples, so we have to write the common multiples. 6 is a common multiple in both, and 12 is a common multiple in both, and 18 is a common multiple in both. So write all common multiples. 6, 12, 18. In this all common multiple, this is the least common multiple. So 6 is our least common multiple of 2 and 3. This is the first method. In the second method, how to find least common multiple, 25 and 30. First 25. 25 we have to write prime factors. 5 5 5, 5 25. Then 30, how to take 30 in prime factors. Using prime factors, 2, 2s are 2, 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. This is our common, these are the prime factors. 25 prime factors, 5 into 5, and 30 prime factors, 2 into 3 into 5, 2 into 3 into 5. Now 25 and 30 LCM, least common multiple. Least common multiple. How to take? This is common in all 5, so we have to take this common one time. Whatever is left, that we have to take. 5, 2, 3. 5 into 2 into 3. 5 as a 25. 25 to the 50. 53 is a 150. 53 is a 150. This is our second method. Once take 25 prime factors, 5 5 are 25. 30 prime factors, 2 into 3 into 5. So then after that, then 25 and 30 LCM, least common multiple. Then 5 and 5. So in 25 and 30, this 5 will come 2 times, we have to take 1 time. Then whatever is left other than this common, we have to take in product. 5 into 2 into 3. 5 into 2 into 3. Now we multiply. 5 5 are 25. 25 2s are 50. 50 3s are 150. This is 25 and 30 LCM. This is first method to find LCM. This is second method to find LCM. This is prime factorization method. This is writing multiple. We have to find least common multiple.